Hey guys, it's Lightning Bolt 99999, and haven't done one of these in a while. This will be an unboxing, and for this unboxing today, I'll actually be unboxing two weather radios. They were sent to me by my friend Brandon Crocker. He was selling a bunch of his weather radios, and he was kind enough to send me these two, and I've been wanting these two particular weather radios for quite some time now. It is the Midland WR-400, Midland's latest model, and the somewhat rare Midland WR-301. So we're gonna get going here. It's a good old classic lightning bolt unboxing, watching me struggle to open the box, and then taking out the radios and seeing what we got going on. And this is the box he sent it to me in. This isn't what I'm getting, obviously. Tear the whole thing right open, I guess. And they are both in WR-400 boxes, but one of these is obviously the WR-301. So we will see which one this is. Looks like we got a WR-400. How cool is that? Oh man, I've been wanting one of these for a while now. We got a manual for it. Set those right there. Got, looks like a product guide. And I'm assuming, yep, this is the power cable, or power adapter, whatever you want to call it. So by process of elimination, this one must be the WR-301. This is cool. I have been wanting one of these for a while as well. That is pretty cool. I'm just going to power these on real quick. Go through some of the features. Alright, version 5. It has the same default date, January 1st, 2002, as the Midland WR-300 has. And I imagine it operates pretty much just the same. That is different, I think. I don't think it says that exact words. It does have that, has that. It's the same siren. Siren levels. Set up the date. Set up the time. Yeah, it is very, very late right now. Obviously, I don't have a channel 3 around here.
Sensitive outdoor plants may be killed if left uncovered. A frost advisory means that widespread frost is expected.
That gets really good reception. It's reading through a frost advisory right now, as you could tell.
Outlook for portions of north central Illinois, northeast Illinois, and northwest Indiana for tonight.
AM, FM. Alright. Operates very similarly to the WR-300. We shall see how this goes. Oh, cool. Alright, I'm guessing that's how you... Oh, setting the hour. Okay, cool. So you can go kind of fast that way. It's 137 now. Oh, it saves it like that. There's an alarm on. I don't want that off. Alright. I don't get that channel. Let's see, how do you change the channels? Button beeps. I'm gonna turn that off. There we go. Oh, now see, that's pretty cool. I was worried about that being like lit up in the middle of the night and stuff. But just for the sake of making this video, I'll keep it up. So we're gonna set the channel. This is what I want.
Set. Sunday, cloudy with a 40%. Hour in the morning, shifting to the west in the afternoon. Sunday night.
This gets pretty good reception as well.
Showers likely and a slight.
Let's check the AM FM.
Lender license in all 50 states. NMLS number 3030. Additional conditions or exclusions may apply.
Ricky always wanted to play base. Highs in the upper 70s.
Alright, so that is
Monday
the...
night.
Shut up.
And one day.
Okay, how do we get these to go off?
Thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the upper 50s.
Apple, but he was in there. No, Ricky never did play in the big leagues. Partner of Major League.
There we go. You gotta hold the you gotta hold the buttons in to get both of those radios to shut off. Like, yeah, see, it says it's off.
Partly cloudy in the
Hold it in to get it to come back on. This AM FM is off. Now that's on again.
So start cutting your energy bills with an...
Hold that to get that to go off. That is the Midland WR-400. Okay. This has been yet another unboxing. I've done many of these over the years. This one was the Midland WR-400. And still sitting over there is the WR-301. Thanks for watching, guys.